Much giving vacation, very much giving. Oh, just very much giving altogether. And welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how you too can achieve this half up, half down, half up feed and braid, half down quick weave hairstyle. Very popular hairstyle recently. If you guys are interested in seeing how you too can achieve this hairstyle, you guys know that all you got to do is just stay tuned. Okay, go ahead and get started with my hair. It's already braided because y'all know I do not blow dry my hair if I don't need to. So I washed it Sunday, braided it down Sunday to let it air dry. This is the hair that I'm going to be using for the bag. Model deep wave 24 inch. It was $11.99 at the beauty supply, so I'm going to be using that. I'm trying to hurry up because I still got stuff to do. But y'all see my ratchet set up in the back so that I could see the back of my head while also recording. Braids by me, period. Big head, don't care. Big head, don't care. We're just gonna put this on. You guys, so I just wanted to pop in the beginning to let you all know that this is not gonna be my normal tutorial style. I kind of just want you all to watch me do the hairstyle. I do want to do this hairstyle again because it didn't last as long as I wanted to. So in that video, if I do this hairstyle again, the back will be crochet instead of a quick weave, and the video will be tutorial style. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
Get me underway. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 right up to the eye of my mountain.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?
All right, you guys, so that concludes the hairstyle. Get into it. Very easy to do it myself, or a little bit complicated. This side was very, very easy for me to do. Bam, 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 really easy. This side I kind of struggled with, but also when I got on this side, I was tired. I was hungry. So I took a break and finished this in the morning. So this is how it turned out. I'm very, very, very pleased with the way it turned out. Love it so far. So far, so good. Love it on myself. I think I did a really good job. Overall, the hairstyle is really cute. Very much giving vacation. Very much giving. Oh, just very much giving altogether, okay? If you guys end up trying out this hairstyle, leave a comment down below and let me know how it went. And also be sure to check out my Puerto Rico vlog, because that's why I did my hair, because that's where I'm going. I'm pretty sure that video will be out after this one, so just keep an eye out on that. Yes, so as always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you and talk to y'all on my next one. Bye.